Hey guys, this is Nicole, your go-to Bulacan realtor. And it's still summer, no? Pero pa-May na. So kailan nga, malapit na rin. Sabi nila pag ganito daw na sobrang init, minsan sign din daw yan ng pag-tag-ulan, pagpapasok na yung tag-ulan na medyo abnormal na yung weather ngayon, no? Kaya hindi natin alam kung yung mga darating na bagyo ba sa Philippines, gaano ba magiging kalakas for this year of 2025, okay? So, you might be looking for something na na when you move in, yung community na yon is hindi naman bahain. Hindi bahain yung daan, at syempre hindi rin papasukin ng baha yung mismong bahay mo. Tama ba? Sino ba naman ang gusto na kapag umuulan nag-aalala ka kung babahain ka ba or not, o kung maglilipad at mag-aalsa balutan ka ba or not, diba guys? So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Barangay Poblacion, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, along San Ignacio Street. So this project is called Regent Heights by Pinnacle Homes Developer. And ang project na to guys, very small community. Okay, three things you need to know. We have some amenities here. Ayan, on the screen. Yan po yung mga amenities ng ating project. At syempre, itong project rin na to, syempre, kaya na sinabi ko, it's a non-flooded area. No history of flood. Okay? And number 3, this is a small community, less than 400 units lang kayo, hindi kayo magiging crowded, at townhouse lang po yung ino-offer natin. Walang iba kundi townhouse unit lamang. Okay, we're gonna have a house tour and I'm gonna show you the updated sample computation for today. This is available for both bank and Pag-ibig financing, and at the same time, meron tayong ready for occupancy at meron din tayong pre-selling. So, bear with me today kasi gusto ko naman maging productive ang panonood nyo ng aking video. Productive. Kaya, sige na, ibibigay ko na sa inyo yung sample computation ng both RFO and pre-selling. So, come with me. Regent Heights in Barangay Poblacion, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan is located right along the main road, one ride to Quezon City and Metro Manila. No history of flood. And here is our model unit. It's called Alexa. As I mentioned, it's only going to be townhouse. That's your only option and nothing else. Wag akong hanapan ng lot only, at wag akong hanapan ng single attached, at wag lalo akong hanapan ng bungalow. Like what I said, ganito po ang townhouse. Cluster po siya, okay? The good thing about townhouse na Alexa model, 3 kwarto, 2 CR, ayan po, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. Yung floor and lot area niya, you see on the screen right now. At ito yung magiging carport provision mo. So you have a small carport provision right in front of your house, okay? So let's go inside to our model unit. Complete finished turnover, meron ng tiles, meron ng paint, may maganda na rin yung ceiling. Ang actual turnover ng ceiling niya ay ganito. Okay, I hope we are clear on that. Napakaganda na ng ceiling niya, di ba? 6-seater dining table, meaning to say, ito po ay pwede sa big family, up to family of 6, okay? Kaya kung ikaw ay may growing family, this is perfect for you. This is gonna be your L-shaped kitchen. So, from the view here, ayan siya guys. Di ba, kita nyo kung gaano kalaki yan? At kaluwag. Your first toilet and shower na very spacious. Ayan. Kalahati naka-tiles. O, di ba guys? Saan ka pa? At yung iyong service area, laundry area, ipa-roof mo na lang or enclose mo na lang yan. Pero meron na siyang partition na kasama pag tinurn over. Ayan, maluwag siya guys, hindi siya masikip. At syempre, ang ating stairs dito guys, ito ay steel, ito naman ay tiles, at ito naman ay wood. Ganun po yung turnover ng ating stairs. Since mataas yung ceiling, pwede kang mag-chandelier or drop lights. At syempre, naka-tiles ang second floor at naka-partition na lahat. Like I said, complete finished turnover. Gamit na lang pag lumipat ka. Your bedroom number 1, high ceiling. Bedroom number 2, higher ceiling. Diba guys? Ayan siya. And of course, your spacious hallway. And your master's bedroom ay ito naman. Pwede kang magpa-customize ng closet here. At ito ang iyong beautiful master's bedroom na may 2 windows. Pwede ang queen size or double size bed sa master's bedroom. At hindi mo na kailangan bumaba dahil ang CR mo ay nasa taas na rin. Second, toilet and shower. Ayan shower. So, ayan po yung ating dress-up model for Alexa. Townhouse Regent Heights. O, diba guys? Nakita nyo naman? View from here. Wala ka nang makikitang ganito kalaking townhouse na very generous yung floor area kahit libutin mo pa ang Bulacan. Kasi karamihan ng townhouse dito, isa lang yung CR, tapos maliit ang floor. Pero ito, ang laki ng floor. Kaya naman, mabilis rin po umandar ang ating inventory for Regent Heights. So, what are you waiting for? Let's discuss our sample computation on the screen. So, guys, there you have it, our quick house tour for Alexa model unit townhouse here at Regent Heights. Syempre, di ba, like as promised, sabi ko, magbibigay ako ng sample computation both for RFO and pre-selling. Okay, so guys, please focus on the sample computation that I'm going to show you on the screen right now because I want to make sure that you understand it's very simple, it's basic. If pasok yung income mo, pinapakita ko rin naman yung required income salary, kontakin mo na kagad ako. So, ayan na, without further ado, let's start with the bank financing ng pre-selling. So, kung pre-selling, hindi ka naman nagmamadali, ayaw mo nang may cash out, go for pre-selling. Ayan po yung ating bank financing for pre-selling. Ayan, on the screen, diba guys? Very affordable pa rin yan. At syempre, kung ikaw naman gusto mo, within 5 months, makalipat ka na, meron tayong ready for occupancy, RFO. Yes, ayan, sa screen. Pag RFO, ang baba lang ng cash out, 177,000. Tapos yung down payment, babayaran mo ng walang interest. Tapos sa 5 months na yun, nakatira ka na, within 5 months, nakatira ka na habang nagbabayad ka ng down payment. Kung afford mo naman yan, edi sige, at ikaw nangungupahan, medyo nagmamadali kang makalipat, go for it. O, ayan na guys, sa sample computation yan ng RFO or early move-in scheme natin dito sa Regent Heights. Ayan, for bank financing. O, diba? At syempre naman, baka sabihin nyo, paano naman yung pag-ibig? Okay, disclaimer, pag-ibig, baka akala nyo mababa. Wrong. Mataas po ang down payment ni pag-ibig. Yes, okay? Ang pag-ibig financing, dahil maliit na lang yung pwede nating i-loan, kay pag-ibig, kailangan mong taasan o lakihan ang ibabayad mo sa down payment. So, mag-start tayo sa pre-selling. O, ayan ha, pre-selling, pag-ibig financing. Ganyan ang babayaran mo monthly. O, di ba? Mas mataas kumpara kay bank in terms of down payment. Pero okay lang yan. At total, maikling panahon lang yan. And then sa amortization, kay pag-ibig, mas mababa na lang. So, whichever is applicable for you. And let's say, okay, RFO, pero gusto mo pag-ibig, okay, ready for occupancy, pero pag-ibig financing, sure. Your wish is my command. Ayan. O, pumili ka na lang. Di ba? So, ang gagawin mo, what's the next step? Okay, ito po, ang Regent Heights, kahit na, huwag po tayong, intindihin po natin ang instruction at ang requirements ng project na ito. Okay, pinakita ko yung sample computation ngayon naman. Ano naman ang mechanics para makapag-reserve. Okay, so mas maganda bago ka magpa-schedule sa akin ng tripping, isend mo na kagad sa akin, di ba? I-message mo ako sa aking Viber, WhatsApp, o ayan, o kaya naman yan, yung aking Facebook account na may blue check, verified yan, ako yan, that's my name. Pwede mo ako i-PM sa Messenger, whatever, kung anong gusto mo, Viber or WhatsApp. Just contact me, mention Regent Heights, at sabihin mo sa akin kung RFO or pre-selling. Clear? At after that, bago tayo mag-schedule ng tripping, isend mo na kaagad sa akin yung TIN number mo. At sabihin mo na sa akin yung income mo na, okay, pasok ako sa income, wala akong issue dyan. How about your TIN number? We need to make sure that your TIN number is valid. So, kasi ako, pinapa-validate ko muna yan. Meron naman kasing way to do that online, BIR website o rules na valid yung TIN mo. Kasi po, karamihan ng mga clients dito, pagdating, mag-reserve na, hindi naman pala valid yung TIN number all this time, kahit ilang taon na silang naguhulog using the TIN number, hindi po tayo makakapag-reserve. E paano kung nag-drive ka pa or galing ka pa kung saan or sa Manila, or whatever, di ba? Iniisip mo, parang, you wanna save your time, di ba? Ayaw mo nang parang pabalik-balik, di ba? Like, your time is more valuable and more important than money, okay? Tandaan niyo yan, guys. Kaya, dapat, bago mag-tripping, Okay na pre-qualify na kita, na-check ko na okay pala yung PIN mo, valid, okay ka din sa income. Tara, schedule tayo ng tripping, meet kita dito, pili ka ng slot mo sa mismo, dito rin sa office, sa site, yung office kung saan ka magsasign. Pipirma ka, tapos magbabayad ka, may resibo, ganyan. At pagkatapos nun, guys, okay na. 'Di ba? Hintayin mo na lang yung tawag ng head office sa'yo. Okay ka na sa reservation. Napakadali. Basta sundin mo lang yung process na-validate ko muna yung TIN number mo. Tama ba? Alam mo, masama. At least nalaman mo, di ba? Huwag kang matakot kasi validation ng TIN lang yan. It has nothing to do with your ITR or income. I'm not asking for that even, di ba? Valid TIN lang at syempre, ang proof of income pwede yung payslip, pwede yung job contract, pwede yung certificate of employment with compensation. Okay ba tayo doon? Kung may asawa, please, valid TIN ng principal buyer at ng asawa mo. Kung ikaw ay legally married sa Pilipinas. Okay? At yun po yung ating mga requirements, guys. At kung ikaw naman ay nasa abroad, OFW, walang problema. Yung SPA or representative mo, siya yung imimit ko. Siya yung mag-reserve dito on your behalf. Okay? So again, my name is Nicole. Viber, WhatsApp. Contact me as soon as possible. And more importantly, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? I hope to see you all, guys. Thank you for watching.